Oh my god, I look crazy. Alright guys, welcome back to my channel. It's been a while. I didn't film a hair tutorial or hair routine, whatever they call it. So I'm gonna do that today with you. I'm gonna wash my hair. Anyways, I'm gonna put some braids in tomorrow, so that's why I'm washing my hair. Okay, so my hair has been having a little issue right now because I'm not taking care of them. So as you can probably see, I'm losing hair every time I like rub my hands in them. So I did some little investment, and I bought a SHEA moisture. You already saw me using it on my channel, but today I'm gonna use the SHEA moisture Jamaican black castor oil, straighten and restore shampoo with shea butter, peppermint, and apple cider vinegar. I'm gonna use again SHEA moisture, African black soap, bamboo charcoal balancing conditioner with tea tree oil and willow bark extract. Moisture and balance dry and oily scalp. I'm gonna let you know how it smells, because usually Jamaican oil have a strong smell that I don't really like. Oh, it's not bad for the shampoo, not bad at all. Let's see for the conditioner. Ooh, oh my god, the conditioner smells good. But when you buy shampoo, don't buy it only because it's a good brand or anything like that. You have to watch your ingredient, and your first ingredient always have to be water. So I'm gonna wash my hair, and I'll be back when I'm putting the conditioner. Usually I wash my hair every month and a half or so, but lately I didn't really take care of my hair and it's a mess right now, but we're gonna fix this. Anyways, I do 2 shampoos, but I know that my scalp right now is a mess. It's dirty because I've been waiting for a long time. For people like us, I don't seem to have a 4C type of hair, but my hair is really like kinky. For our type of hair, don't wash them often, and always 2 shampoo. The first one is just to tell the hair, hey, I'm putting something to help you, and then the second time is to really wash the hair. And I'll be back. So yeah, so hey guys, so I was editing and I see, sorry, in my video that I was talking a bunch of bull. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna do a voice over. Now what I'm doing is I'm putting the conditioner because I wanted to show you how I do it. I don't put a lot. It seems that I put a lot of conditioner in my hair, but I don't put a lot, but I put a good amount because my hair tends to suck up everything that I put in them. So that's what I did, and that's what you're seeing. Yeah, and I kind of like detangle, we can say, with my fingers, just so the product can go everywhere evenly. I'm looking at my fan in the back that is like turning left and right, but anyway, so yeah, I condition, I leave it in for 5-10 minutes. The conditioner was smelling really good, like really good. Okay, so now what I'm seeing is that, oh, I'm doing the treatment right now. I had 2 treatment, which was one was, and then the other one was black charcoal soap. You will see it in the video, so you will know what I'm talking about. And it's the same as the shampoo and the conditioner, by the way. So now I'm showing you how I put the mask, the black castor oil mask. I really like concentrate in my ends, and then I do on my way up. Yo, my curl are popping. Okay, so also I don't detangle my hair when I shampoo, when I condition, but I did it in the when I was doing the treatment. Detangle your hair with a comb too much is not good. It causes breakage. So like I'm showing in the video, I start in the end, and then I go on my way up. I leave that for 5 to 10 minutes, and then I wash my hair. Right now I'm showing oh, I put them in 4 braids and when I finish washing them. So right now I'm showing you the second treatment, which is the black charcoal treatment. So I leave my hair in those 4 braids, and I put the product in 1 braid, make sure that everything goes in, detangle with a much wider tooth comb, and then once I finish detangle and I feel like it's smooth, I braid them up again. I do that for all 4 parts, and I what do you say, and I wash my hair again. The second treatment I leave it for 15-20 minutes. In this part you can hear it, so I'm not gonna explain. Okay, oh my god guys, okay, so my camera died, so you didn't see the whole process, but I did blow dry my hair. The same little braid that you saw before, that's them when they're blow dry, because my hairstylist said that I have to blow dry them before going to see her. So that's how I'm gonna sleep. But before that, I'm gonna charge my camera because it's still gonna die. I just wanted to show you the end result of the washing part. I still need to put oil, but I'm gonna do a mask on my face, which is a turmeric mask with honey. So I just wanted to show you how it looks like. What I didn't film is the oil I use. I'm gonna put their little link, I put it in the screen so you can see, which is by Dream Dolls. I don't know how YouTubers, okay, Dream Dolls. And then I really like just run it through everywhere, and then I massage it. It contains olive oil, peppermint, and coconut oil. I do that. I do it, that's why it's already here. I do it almost every 2 days. Sometimes I forgot, but I do it almost every 2 days. And then, like I said, once I finish put it in, I massage my hair like for 5 minutes, and it feels really good, feels really fresh. And what does all that hair treatment does is basically all that you see in this video. All that it do is basically it's smoothing my hair. My hair was like a baby butt at the end. It was really like a baby butt. It was so soft. And my hairdresser, when she did my braid, she didn't need to like detangle my hair again because it was already really good. I was already detangled, was already smooth for her to just do what she need to do. I do sometimes make that oil with a new oil that I bought, which is Cannabis Sativa oil. Can I show that on YouTube? I don't know. So it is this Cannabis Sativa oil. It doesn't smell like drugs. I don't know, doesn't smell like drugs, but that one also, I have a little tube like this, and I take it, put it in my hair, massage also. So I mix both of those oils. This I bought it in a local store. If you saw my unboxing video where I buy a bunch of at Beauté, I'll put the thing here or here. Yeah, so that's where I bought this. But this one is, you holla at the you go on her Instagram and you will be able to buy the bottle. She does 2 bottles for $20. I do think so. I think, yeah, $20, or both come to 25. So that's it. So yeah, that was my update hair treatment. So I'm gonna do a special project in November, mid-November maybe, or end of November, beginning of December. I don't want to do the project for my birthday, so I'll do it either mid of November or beginning of December. So I need a bunch of girl. I don't do guys hair, so we'll see after that. So I'm looking for girls in Montreal that have 4C, 4B, 4A, 3C, any type of hair. I don't mind if it's in braid, I don't mind if it's natural, but I need quite a different type of hair, curly, straight, kinky, all of that. And so you can holla, you can message me. I'll leave all my info in the description box, all my info in on the screen, so you can just DM me, message me, text me for people that know me, and I will explain the project. It's free, so you won't have to pay anything. You won't have to bring anything except maybe when I'm gonna give the detail, except I think like your own stuff that because I don't want to use some of my stuff on you for hygiene purposes, but the rest, it's all on me and it's free again. So that's it. So I'll let you guys know, because I'm still in the mid of working on the project of how I'm gonna do it, and with COVID right now. So I'll give you more details on the project once I have everything settled. But it's gonna be fun, and again, it's free. So thank you for watching this video. I hope you guys like it. Don't forget to comment, subscribe, and like. If you like those type of hair videos, let me know in the comment or message, you know, and I'll do more of them, because this is basically what I do to grow my. Message me if you have any question. If you want to know basically on all the product that I'm using, what exactly do they do, I can let you know that also. As you can see on this video, I'm speaking only English. I realized that I have more English people than French people like watching my videos. So basically this video, you don't really need my voice to do it. It's just watch what I do. I know it's a little bit speed up, but it's the same thing from all my other hair routine videos with some upgrade. Thanks for watching. I'll see you on the next video. The next video will be me doing my makeup with what my Instagram, Snapchat, and Facebook people choose. Stay tuned for that, and I'll see you in the next video.